YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Joneses and welcome back to the channel once again, man. Thank y'all for coming through. You know, I appreciate y'all, all my subs, all my supporters. I appreciate it. So y'all know, as always, I got some heat for y'all today. And this one's gonna be crazy. Look, I've been waiting for this shoe. I finally got it. We got two pair today. I don't want y'all to really be able to see the box, but just know it's some heat and I'm crazy excited for it. We're finally at 350 subs also. And I just want to say thank you once again. I appreciate it. Giveaway is still going on for the $100 gift card and the Off-White Joneses tee. So if you want to enter, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on post noties, and send me a screenshot of that on Instagram or Twitter. Both of those will be linked below in the description for my Instagram and my Twitter. So make sure you send me a screenshot, and once you're done, leave a comment, let me know that you've entered and you've subscribed and all that good stuff. So yeah, but as always, man, I got some more heat. We drip, man, and let's just get right into it because it's crazy. So up first, the first shoe we're gonna pull out. Boom. So if you know your Jordans, you know this box. And this shoe right here is just crazy. These are the UNC 3s. And I remember when I first saw these, they were the PEs, the player editions, and they were so nasty. And I was like, dang, like imagine if those ever come out. And they finally came out, and I was just like, bro, I need a cop. So I didn't get them when they released, and I finally just got them recently. This box also is sick. I wish Jordan would start doing more stuff with the boxes and like bringing back like the old retro cards and stuff, because it's dope. I like how it like kind of tells a story, and you know like what this box is when you see it. So I think it's dope. But let's take the lid off. So we got that normal Jordan 3 lid. Y'all can't see me that well because you know I'm short. But we got that Jordan 3 lid right here, and it's got the Jordan logo on the top in white with the blue box top, whatever you want to call it. And it's pretty dope. It's nice. I like it. Then we got some regular paper. We got a receipt from freaking Foot Action right here. And it's just, these are dope. And these are sick. So I haven't actually looked at these, to be honest. Like I've seen people with them, obviously, but I have not actually looked at these. I'm actually gonna take both shoes out. But these are dope. Like y'all, I don't think people are sleeping because they sold out fast. And then I know eBay had a shop drop recently, or not a shop drop, they had a restock recently, and they didn't even last like 10 minutes. But these are just, this colorway, first off, the 3s, period. 3s, y'all haven't seen many 3s on my channel. Y'all seen them in like the mystery unboxing, but I haven't had many 3s. And I honestly think this is the hardest pair of 3s that I've seen personally on my channel, that I've had on my channel. But let's get into some of the details. So we got that elephant print right here, and we got a white leather upper that's just nasty, clean, nice tumbled leather. We got, this is like, I don't know what type of fabric this is on the liner, but it feels mad good. It's super soft. I know these are super comfy. We got, oh, this actually says, I thought I was gonna say Air Jordan, but it says heart upside down on the tongue and white with like a red patch. And we got a navy blue tongue. We got navy blue eyelets right here. And then we got some Carolina blue eyelets with some white laces, and then some more navy blue eyelets right here. We got elephant print right here on the toe, and then on the heel, and on the back in navy, we got that Jordan logo with the Air. So these are tough. We got UNC Carolina blue Jordan logo on the tongue, and then another highlight right here on the midsole and Carolina blue. Then we got a white midsole with the gray outsole. And these are just, look at the bottoms. The bottoms are clean. That's one thing I like about 3s. I love how the bottoms look. Because, you know, it's summertime. This is a great summer shoe, first of all. Like really any white shoe is a good summer shoe, but these are just nice. And it's like, you know, if you go to the beach, you got some nice shoes on, you walk in the sand, you get to see that little imprint. And they got a dope imprint, so I like this. But these are sick, man. They're crazy nice. They got a red insole on the inside, and I think that's pretty dope. But yeah, we got UNC 3s. They were crazy hyped up, and they came out, and The hype was worth it. The hype was real. They lived up to the hype because these are nasty. Like I got so much stuff I'm gonna wear with these. These actually match my hat. I hope y'all like my hat. It's new. Y'all used to see me with the tan hat or the red hat or beanie. I haven't been rocking beanies lately because it's been freaking burning up out. But it's time to start breaking out the hats again. So I got a new hat. I hope y'all like it. So yeah, we got UNC 3s. These are pretty tough. I'm excited. But this next shoe, y'all just don't know this next shoe. So we're gonna put these up once again and show y'all UNC 3s. They're tough. These are hard. Classic shoe right here, classic retro, and then we got a sick colorway to wear in the summer. Beautiful shoe. Now this next shoe. Now listen, I've wanted this shoe for a little while, but I was like, I don't know if it's worth it. And I finally went and pulled the plug. I didn't pull the plug. I went, got on GOAT, and I was like, I'm gonna just cop them. When I pulled the trigger on them, and I'm like, I don't know. This might not be worth it. And they're hard. Like I knew they were hard, but it was like, do I really want them? So I finally got them. And let's just say like they blew my mind when I got them. Like they really did. Let's bring them in. So y'all see the box. So y'all know what type of box this is. Hold up. Jordan 1 box in brown. I don't know what much to say. If you know your Jordans, you know what box this is. So we're gonna go ahead and just get it open. We got the Travis Scott 1s, the high tops, not the lows. The lows are tough too, but we got the highs. And y'all, man, Balt, I got you. I know we got your stuff taken care of, Balt. We're gonna get your lows, but enjoy looking at these highs. So first, we're gonna take off the top. See, you got that Jordan 1 top, and then we got the brown box with the Nike with the swoosh in red. It's pretty dope. It's nice, cool looking box. And then as we open up the box, y'all already know what time it is, man. I don't know. I don't even know why I still show y'all this stuff, but then we got the pink Cactus Jack paper, and it's got the sicko mode face, the Air Jordan Wings logo, the Nike Air, Cactus Jack right here. This paper is tough. Like this is one of the toughest papers I've seen inside of the box. I know that's crazy to say, it's just paper, but still, it's pretty tough. But same thing, Cactus Jack Wings logo, the sicko mode face. Then we got some normal white paper. And then, these are so gas, yo. They're so gas, y'all don't. So like, I've already took them out, I've already laced them. I did all that good stuff. One more time, let me show y'all the paper. I did all that good stuff. I think I did a crazy dope lace job. And let's just get them. Let's get them out, man. So look, here goes one shoe. Y'all know it come with like 6 different laces. They come with all types of laces, but just look. Like, just look at these. Hold on, let me get the other shoe out. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, bro. No one can have them. No one. Don't even ask. So, we got these out. And y'all, this shoe right here, my unions are dumb hard. Like, don't get me wrong, my favorite shoe still probably. But these are up there contesting with my unions, and these are just nasty. Let me just get into some of the details of the shoe. I'm gonna let this one sit right here so y'all can see the beautifulness in these. See that sick lace job. So let's get into the details. So we got a brown bottom. Then we got this brown suede all around the shoe, on the toe and on the heel, and on the back we got that sicko mode face. And then we got the reverse Nike swoosh right here. And this is just, I love seeing like different stuff like this on the shoe. Like when they go out, they kind of went out their way, but I think this is just dope. Like it's a sick look. It's different. You don't see it all the time. I just think it's nasty. But then we got, this is like a cream outsole. I don't know how well y'all can see. It's a cream outsole right here. And we got the 3M Cactus Jack on the inside with a black Nike swoosh. We got the black backward swoosh right here. And then we got a black Air Jordan Wings logo up here. And then this is one thing, I keep forgetting that this is on these shoes. But we also got the freaking stash pocket. So y'all know Travis Scott shoes be coming with the stash pocket. I don't know why. I'm probably gonna put some money in here though. But we got the stash pocket with the red liner. These are just, this shoe is so nasty, bro. Y'all don't understand. So we also got some like cream white or like sail. We got a sail upper right here in leather. It's nice and tumbled a little bit. Same on the toe. That's what this is on the toe. But I already did a lace swap with these. Well, not a lace swap. I changed out the laces. They came with the black laces in them. And when I got them, I took them out and I put these in, did the union lacing, the 2 different color lacing. I think this is sick. Like this is in my opinion, the best I've seen them look. In my opinion, I think this is the best lacing that you could put in these shoes. The brown laces and then the sail cream laces in these. But anyways, we also got a red Nike Air tongue tag right here. And then we also have this that sail cream tongue. And it's just, this shoe is so nasty. I'm so happy to have this shoe. I got so much stuff planned for this shoe. And y'all know Jordan 1s are a great summer shoe. So I'm extremely excited to wear these. But the suede on these is just beautiful. Like it's so alive, and it's alive, but at the same time it's kind of like just chilling. And they're just disgusting. Like this is a sick shoe. And I'm so excited to have it. Y'all know Travis Scott be doing his thing with his shoes. And I'm trying to complete the collection. I have the 4s, I have the 6s, and then I have these. I need to get the lows, but Balt beat me to them, so he's gonna have those first. I'm still gonna do a review on my channel, so make sure y'all stay tuned. And also, if you haven't already, drop a like for your boy, leave a comment, talk to your boy. And if you're new to the channel and you're enjoying the content, hit that sub button. But this is probably like top 3 right here. These shoes are definitely top 3. Like just look at them. They are nasty, so nasty. But let's move these laces out the way. And the insoles, they got, here, let me try and show y'all. They say like Cactus Jack and Nike Air in one. One of them says Cactus Jack. This one says Cactus Jack in red. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it says it in red. And then this one says Nike Air, and I put these on my feet already, so it's kind of like rubbing off. But because I keep them laced like this. Like this is how I keep them laced when I put them on my feet, so they're super tight. But this one says Nike Air. I don't know how well y'all can see it. It says Nike Air in there. It's kind of rubbing off already a little bit. But this is just, I don't even know what to say anymore, because like every time I open the box, I just look at them and be like, dang, like I really had these. And these, like I knew they were hard, but it was like the more I see them, and now that I actually have them in hand, they're like, I see why everybody's so hyped about them, why everyone's still buying them, why the resale price is going through the roof. And it's just a nasty colorway. I love his colorways. They're different, they're unique. Everything about his shoes are different and unique. And that's one thing about Travis Scott is his collabs with Jordan are just sick. And I hope they aren't going anywhere. He's got a lot of stuff coming out actually. Those Travis dunks are sick too, but I think out of all his shoes, this is probably the best one. Like these are just something else. And I don't even know what to say anymore, man, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like or hit the like button. Leave a comment, let me know that you enjoyed the video, that you like the content. And I appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for giving me 350 subs. And y'all see, we stay drip as always. Travis Scott 1's, a very coveted sneaker, one that I'm happy to add to my collection of shoes. And I'm just excited, man. But y'all know me, I stay drip. It's your boy Joneses. Peace.
Go tell them I'm cool on these bitches. Locked in, I'm loading music, got these stitches. Watching the way that I move something vicious, and watching the way that they move something fishy. I got 100, no scratch that 1,000,000 ways to give ratings. You know that I'm killing, I know that you feel it. Hakuna Matata, I don't feed the drama. Go by my way and I handle my business. My hand on the Glock. That's just if I get suspicious. Don't make me turn into pimpin'. Don't know I rock. Never been the type to need no assistance, so I keep my distance. Got it on lock. Watch for the drop. They gon' hate when you pop. That's a bitch's intentions. Cream of the crop. These hoes be needing a lot. I just need weed, it's the top. I'm loving this feeling. Higher than ever. I'm touching the ceiling. Someone like me is like 1 in a million. Shit, probably not mine, but she'll fuck in the rental. She clean it up when we done in the rental. I get home and get on the next instrumental. I'm sauce dripped up. This shit is simple. Hoes, big bucks, by this December. Some hoes, but I tell them I'm cool on these bitches. Locked and I'm loaded, music got extensions. Watching the way that I move something vicious, and watching the way that they move something fishy. I got 100, no scratch at 1,000,000 ways to give ratings. You know that I'm killing. I know that you feel it. Kuna Matata, I don't feed the drama. Go by my way and I handle my business. I'm cool on these bitches. Locked and I'm loaded, music got extensions. Watching the way that I move something vicious, and watching the way that they move something fishy. I got 100, no scratch at 1,000,000 ways to give ratings. You know that I'm killing. I know that you feel it. Kuna Matata, I don't feed the drama. Go by my way and I handle my business. No, really, just listen. Everything you hear, business specifics.